In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware type application called SpeedHelpDesk. SpeedHelpDesk stands for a new adware that is attacking many Mac computers these days. This adware, by the way, is from the adload family of computer infections. This adware, once installed, may start to display the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. And this particular adware may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random resources on the web. If you have found this SpeedHelpDesk, you need to get rid of it, so right click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.